Make a reminder.
What's the reminder?
I will go to university tomorrow.
Sure, I will go to university. What time?
10 a.m.
Okay. I'll remind you tomorrow at 10 a.m.
Delete it.
Okay, cancel.
Make a note.
Sure, what's the note?
That was an amazing moment.
Okay, saving.
Delete the note.
To delete messages in Gmail, tap the profile image to the left of each email you'd like to delete. Then tap the trash icon. For details, tap More Info.
Set alarm for tomorrow 6 a.m.
There, your alarm's set for tomorrow at 6 a.m.
Make a call to my father.
Calling father, mobile.
Make a call to my mother.
Calling mother, mobile.
Tell me a joke.
What did one snowman say to the other? Do you smell carrots?
Do you know Alexa?
Alexa has such a soothing voice. I like it.
Do you know Siri?
She seems clever.
Do you know Cortana?
Cortana is amazing. Why do you ask? Is she here? This is so exciting.
Set a timer.
Sure, for how long? Alright, 4 minutes, starting now.
Delete the timer.
You can do that in the app.
What are you doing?
I'll probably play some games. If you want to join, just ask to play a game.
Play a game.
Alright, which one would you like to try?
Castle Master.
Alright, getting Castle Master.
The Emperor has made you king of these lands. You must answer difficult questions to rule. Try to maintain balance in the kingdom.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel for more update trick and video.